Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 3 on PS4 with a keyboard and mouse. First, ensure your keyboard and mouse are standard USB devices. Simply plug them into the available USB ports on the front of your PlayStation 4 console. The system should detect them automatically, allowing you to navigate the PS4 menu with your new setup. This initial connection is crucial for getting started with your preferred control scheme in-game. Once your keyboard and mouse are connected, launch Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Within the game, you'll need to access the settings menu. Look for a section related to controls or input devices. Here, you should find an option to switch your primary input from a controller to a keyboard and mouse. This step is essential for the game to register your new control scheme correctly and allow for precise aiming and movement. After selecting keyboard and mouse as your input, take time to customize your settings. Adjust the mouse sensitivity to find a comfortable aiming speed that suits you. You can also remap specific keybinds for actions like jumping, crouching, or reloading, making your gameplay more intuitive. Experiment with these options in a private match or against bots to discover what works best for your individual playstyle and reaction times. While Call of Duty Black Ops 3 supports keyboard and mouse, remember that not all PlayStation 4 games offer native support. If you encounter issues with other titles, a third-party adapter might be necessary to emulate controller inputs. These devices can broaden your options significantly. Also, for more gaming tips and other great deals, including a link for amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below this video. Enjoy your enhanced gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.